If you wanna have freedom, you gotta start working on yourself. Perhaps you gotta